my gems, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a Meesho top wear haul video. मैं ऐसा एक सेम वीडियो बैक देन जनवरी में कर चुकी थी, बट इट्स फाइनली समर्स हियर एंड नो मैटर हम लोग के वार्डरोब में कितने कपड़े पड़े हो, वी ऑलवेज वांट टू अपग्रेड देम. सो हियर आई एम विद द बेस्ट फाइंड्स फ्रॉम Meesho. आई फील Meesho से ना सरोजिनी नगर वाला वाइब आता है थोड़ा बहुत, बिकॉज उसमें बहुत अच्छे कलेक्शन है, लेकिन थोड़ा ढूंढना पड़ता है, बट यू विल फाइंड हिडन जेम्स देयर. सो या thus I'm saying this Sarojini Nagar because I don't stay in Delhi. Sadly, I got the tops which are comfortable to wear and you can easily do your daily stuffs or daily outings. You can easily do with them without feeling warm or something, without feeling uncomfortable. Started with the video. Before we get started, kindly hit the subscribe button below and also the bell icon so that we stay connected and I keep feeling blessed for having you here every time I post a video. So coming towards the first product is this white top. I feel it is just for rupees 258. I feel 258 के लिए is very good deal. It's a very good deal. But a simple white top उतना अच्छा elegant look नहीं देता. इसके लिए थोड़ा upgrade करने के लिए I just got this one who just tied it up and it looks so beautiful. It has this bow design. You can easily design it as bow and it will look like one shoulder top with another with the bow design, though it has the sleeves, but I think it's a very good outfit if you want to go for daily outings and daily things. I think it's very comfy, it's very soft, but at the same time it is little bit transparent. So make sure you go with a white color bralette inside it so that you wear any dark color lingerie inside it specifically, because I think ये थोड़ा सा ट्रांसपी है. आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज विजिबल इन द कैमरा और नॉट, बट इट इज लिटिल बिट ट्रांसपी, but otherwise it's a very good, it's a crop top and 258 में it's a steel basically. It is also available in other websites, maybe Flipkart or Amazon. It's also available there, but approximately comparing the other website, Meesho में थोड़ा कम है. There I remember मैं देखी थी around 250 या 300 में, इधर ये 238 रुपीज़ पे है. I know थोड़ा ज़्यादा कम नहीं है, but a penny saved is a penny earned. So yeah, it's a steal. Seller also says that it comes with a mask, but I didn't receive a mask, so I don't know how much it is true or false, but I didn't receive, so I'm just considering that no, they don't give masks now. I think पहले देते थे लेकिन अभी नहीं देते हैं. The second top is this yellow color top. I feel अगर समर से मैं कुछ ले रही हूँ और मैं येलो कलर का कोई चीज़ ना लूँ, then it's not possible, because lately I am getting obsessed with yellow and reds. I don't know why, but I am genuinely getting obsessed. It has this sweetheart neckline. I feel heavy busted लोगों के लिए it is the perfect neckline. It looks so beautiful. It's 341 rupees and I think it's a good deal, and it also provides you elasticity in the hand or in the wrist, you can say, and it looks pretty good. It's a body hugging top. It is by the seller named Trendy Tops. I think Trendy Woman Tops. 1 minute. From the seller known as Trendy Top, and it has real trendy tops because this top is available in various colors, various colors. It's made up of georgette fabric, so लेकिन वो उतना भी पसीना लायक या फिर उतना ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं देगा. I think it has one cons. I think the back is pretty transparent. I don't know if it is visible, but back is pretty transparent. To wear a same color bralette inside it or cami inside it, so it doesn't look that awkward. Otherwise the top is the only cons I felt is this. Otherwise the top is a big thumbs up. Wearing it is this beautiful red color or dark red color, you can say. I am in love with this top with V-neck and twisted detailing. I feel that twisted detailing just levels up the game. It's so beautiful and it looks so trendy that I can't say you even. I think it's a crop top, तो उतना twist नहीं करना पड़ेगा, but it's again your call how much you can twist, how much you want to twist. You can twist or you can also leave it as it is. Just tie the bow up and that's all, you are done. मैं ये टॉप बहुत देख ली थी, मीन्स आई सॉ इट many influencers post. I was like no, I need to get that hands on, but मुझे पता नहीं था कहाँ से ले. And I finally got a blend top, but मुझे इतना feel नहीं हो रहा because I don't know, but it says it is a cotton blend top. It is one of the best buy because I feel it has this bell sleeves and the twisted detailing is just amazing, and the quality is also very good. The top costed me around 315 rupees. Next top is this top. It is the same top. It is the previous one but the color अलग है और उसका seller भी अलग है. It is from the seller name known as Celebration but the material से लेके twisted detailing everything is same. It is सब कुछ same है बस इसका थोड़ा सा price कम है. It is for 307 and this one is for 299. I will surely recommend you go for this one because it is of lesser price providing the same quality and in a penny saved is a penny earned. So yeah, I just got this from two different sellers just to check out the quality कि मैं कैसा quality है. I thought of exchanging it and then buying it from this seller again but I thought उतना I was just getting too lazy so I just kept it. But if you wanted to have it, you can surely go for this seller, that is Celebration. It's below down in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. Meesho doesn't have product links, they have product codes. So I'll leave that below down. Don't forget to check that out. One is this rayon kurti. I feel it is so comfortable, so comfortable. I say comfortable now, I mean it is very light weighted. You can easily wear it and roam around. It doesn't feel heavy and moreover it is rayon but I feel it has this cotton based rayon. I don't know why but it is really comfortable. You will not feel hot even wearing it and it's the best buy for summers. It is a sleeveless kurti and it has this bow detailing. You can easily tie up a bow or whatever you want to and it also comes with the illusion of buttons on it. You can easily style it up with denims and plazos. It is a sleeveless kurti. It doesn't have sleeves and it doesn't come with sleeves. And it is for only 336 rupees. This grey top, it's a grey t-shirt basically. I will not call it top but I don't like fully plain t-shirt. I love little bit of detailing in it so I just got this crisscross detailing. It costed me around 255 rupees and it is pretty good job. It is a very common basic t-shirt which just have a crisscross detailing and I think it's a very good thing and it has this black stripes on the hand and the gray color is really beautiful and it's not at all transparent and I think it's very soft and perfect for summers and daily outings. They also have color options in it like red and black and yellow. I guess I don't remember. I'll mention the product code below. Kindly check that out, you will get it. The next one is this crepe material plain top with stripes and I feel मैं ये top बहुत देख ली थी then I need to get on it. Crepe material is ऐसा material है जो कभी खराब नहीं होता. I got the same material top last year and it looks the same till now, so I think it's a big thumbs up to me. It's a basic top, basically nothing to say about it much. Also it is the cheapest buy. It is only for rupees 179. It is not at all transparent. It is good for your casual days or casual outings or your college days or whatever you can have. I feel it is a very good go-to option in summers because summer से उतना ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा. Just you can grab it and wear it, that's all. It's a great go-to option, so I got it. Something that I showed also in my previous haul. Basically इसका मुझे एक और कलर मेरे पास था but again that was a little bit of higher amount. वो शायद 538 रुपीज़ का था and it is only for 446. So basically वो पर्पल का था and it is not from the same seller I guess because उतना प्राइस का डिफरेंस है but quality wise and everything is same. That was in purple and so but मैं ये रेड में ऑर्डर नहीं की थी. I ordered it in a color of a wine red but here it comes red but I didn't return it because I just love the color and think it's a very pretty good thing to have. And if you haven't checked out my previous video, kindly check that out. I'll link it in the I button and also in the description box. So as this or as off shoulder. It's totally your call. The net is super comfy. वो चुभने वाला net बिल्कुल नहीं है. It's totally very beautiful, and then it also has this elasticity near the wrist, and I feel it's a very good deal. And it also has a ruffle tailings in the end, and it is a ripped top or illustrated top, you can say, because it just hugs your body perfectly and gives you a perfect shape. So with this we have come towards the end of the video. So if you have liked anything about the video, kindly subscribe button below and also the bell icon so we stay connected, and I keep feeling blessed for having you here every time I post a video.